Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to wipe code and we're gonna create a multiplication game using Gemini. So okay guys, first of all let's write in Gemini. We'd like to write create a game to practice. Why isn't it writing? Create a game to practice the multiplication table. There should be a score showing how many correct and incorrect answers the user has. Oh guys, I accidentally sent it in. Let me delete it. In the chat, you have to also choose canvas. Okay, I write it, then I come over here, use big letters and buttons and strong, let's write strong colors, yes. Then we'd like to write start by showing a calculation and let user submit the reply. Dot, then we like to write the show the result, then update the score, then and let user keep playing. Okay, let's send it in. I sent it. It's creating table master. Okay. Preview. Okay. 8 times 7, guys. What's 8 times 7? It's 56. Okay, let's check. It's excellent. It's correct. Okay, now let's make it incorrect. For example, 21. Incorrect. Oh no. So as you see, it's giving incorrect and correct. So okay guys, so but how do we make people play this game? So okay, let's come over here. We come over here, copy it up. Now let's create a folder. In documents, let's create new folder. Let's name it multiplication game. Multiplication game. Okay. Now let's come over here to Visual Studio Code and let's come over here, open folder. Let's open multiplication game. Yep, open. Wait guys, let me save this up. Open folder, multiplication game, open. Okay guys, it's opened. Let's create a new script, index dot well, I don't remember, I'll name it later. Here guys, we have to write index. How to rename it? Index dot html. Okay guys, let's save it up. Oh guys, let's come over here, and when I open this thing, it opens up Google and a game. So okay guys, in the next video we'll show how to publish it, and see you next video. Bye bye.